Hello. For today's class, we're just going to be doing two ellipse questions. They're in this book. I don't think you have this book, so I'll just take a picture of the two questions and I'll upload them then onto an assignment for you in the Google Classroom. The first question is a shampoo bottle. The second question is a B&B sign. The two of these are to be completed by the end of class. I'll just do the video on the shampoo bottle just to kind of give you an idea again on how to do the concentric circles method for an ellipse. And I'll just talk through this question then, and then I want to see then how you get on yourselves then by doing an ellipse question on your own. So I'm going to start now and we'll start this ellipse question. So I'm going to start around here, and from reading the question I can step back the book there. From reading the question I can see that from the top of the ellipse down to the bottom is 90, so it's 90. So I'm going to draw a circle radius 90 for my major axis. So I'm going to set my compass to 90. And then I can see my minor axis then is 90 across, so that gives me a radius of 45. So that's going to be the radius for my minor circle is 45. So I'm going to draw my minor circle. So my major circle, the radius is 90, so the whole lot is 180. And for my minor circle, my radius is 45 and the diameter is 90. So again then, we're just going to draw in all our possible angles with our 60-30 set square. So we have our vertical line, our horizontal line, and then we have our two 30 degrees lines. Same with this, 60 degrees now we're moving on to. So this time, we've done concentric circles method before, and the way we did it was we brought these lines up, where the lines hit the outer circle, we brought these up, and where the lines hit the inner circle, we brought these out. But as you can see from this question here, the ellipse is not horizontal, the ellipse is vertical. So we're just going to do it the opposite way now. We're just going to bring these lines here at the side. So where these lines hit the side now, the outer circle on the side, we're going to bring these lines across. So I'll just bring these lines across, same as these other lines. Bring these ones towards the middle. And then again, then where these 60-30 degree lines hit the inner circle, we're going to bring these lines then out. So bring these lines out. So that gives us that line just a bit small, bit short there. So that gives us our points there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We have our top point and our bottom point, and we have the top of our inner circle. Again, then bring these lines across. So again, I'll just make sure I say it so you understand. So as the ellipse is flipped, we usually draw the ellipse this way, horizontal. As the ellipse is flipped over and it's vertical, we're doing the same thing, but it's sideways. So where the 60-30 degree lines hit the outside circle, we bring these lines again in towards the minor line axis. Same with these lines as well, we just bring these in, and then where the line 60-30 lines hit the inner circle, then we just bring these lines out then until it hits these lines coming in from the outer circle. And then same thing again with these here. And then we have our points again. So then I'm just going to lightly draw in the line and make sure you're round. Don't join these two lines with a straight line with a ruler or anything. Make sure you make that curve. So we're going to curve around these lines here. I'm doing this now with my 2H pencil lightly first, just kind of sketching between the lines, just to kind of start off, and then we'll finish off our shampoo bottle. So that's the ellipse there now, sketched in with my 2H pencil. So that's the outline of the shampoo bottle. So as you can see then from the question as well, from the minor axis line, or sorry, the major axis line here, we measure down 70 to give us the bottom of the bottle. So we can draw that line across. I put that in heavy actually, as it's done. Then from the top of the bottle, we can measure up 80. Or from the major line we can measure up 80 and draw a line across. We can also put that in heavy. And then, as you can see then as well from the question as well, from the center point here, connected to the outer points of this line going across here, this line ends where it hits the ellipse. So draw out your 2 lines out here then for the lid of the bottle. And on that line, then measure up 20. So 2 10s. And you can just draw them lines across then for the lid of your bottle. And then finish off the lid then. Draw on your 2 sides. And then now all I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish off my ellipse and draw in this line as a continuous straight line with my HB pencil. And then same with this side. No, so that is my shampoo bottle there drawn in and all, and you'll have that question to do for the remainder of the class. And then also then is this question here. All the measurements are on it. This question is slightly bit easier as it's what you're used to when doing the concentric circles method. So remember again, your major axis here is 150. So find your radius. Your radius is half it, 75. So, and then you have your minor axis. Your minor axis here is 100. So radius is 50. So just draw on your major and your minor axis or circles. Then 60, 30 degree lines, what you're used to. Then your lines at the top here, bring them down where the 60, 30 degree lines hit the outer circle. Where the 60, 30 degree lines hit the bottom of the outside circle, bring them up. And then from the inner circle then, where the 60, 30 degree lines hit the inner circle, bring them out then. And then that's all you do then. And then make sure to draw in your post here then as well that holds up the sign. So that's all you have to do. Them 2 questions for the double class, and uploading your answers then onto Google Classroom then by the end of the class. Perfect, thank you.